Before you buy a new Vizio Voice Remote, try this simple reset that may fix your old one for good. In case your Vizio remote doesn't work at all, then you can simply connect your Android or iPhone to your Vizio TV using the official Vizio app and use your smartphone as your TV remote. Just download the app, log in with your Vizio account, then go to the Remote tab from the bottom, tap on your TV, enter the pairing code, and boom! Now you can control your TV using the smartphone. So, to unpair and repair your Vizio Voice Remote to the TV, first let's go to the home screen. Now we will go left, then down to Settings, press on the middle to open it, go to All Settings, then down to System, and choose the Voice Remote option. As you can see, our remote is already disconnected, but no matter if it's disconnected or not, to unpair your remote, just go to Unpair Remote, hit Unpair, and it will be deregistered from your TV. Now to repair your remote, select Pair New Remote first, and now grab the Vizio Voice Remote, then press the microphone and mute button together for at least 5 seconds, or until the red LED starts blinking. Here's the red light, so I'll just release it, and there you go, our remote is paired back. You can go ahead and also check for updates to make sure your remote is up to date. So now you'll have no issues with your Vizio Voice Remote and you can go back to enjoying your TV. Hope this helped and I'll see you around.